What if I told you there's one simple mistake people make in their 30s that can quietly cost them millions of dollars? And the worst part, most people don't even realize they're making it. When you hear $1,000,000 mistake, you probably think of buying an expensive car, choosing the wrong investments, or getting a house you can't afford. But the real mistake is different. It's subtle, it's common, and it happens to almost everyone. The real problem is this: misusing your pay raises. Every time your income increases, whether it's a raise, a bonus, or money from a side hustle, you face a choice. Do you spend more or do you build wealth? Most people don't consciously decide, they just slowly upgrade their lifestyle. Better clothes, better car, more eating out, and just like that, the extra money disappears. This is called lifestyle creep, and it's one of the biggest silent killers of wealth. Your 30s are the perfect time for this mistake to happen. Your income is finally growing, but so are your responsibilities. Marriage, kids, a home. This phase of life is often called the messy middle, and because retirement still feels far away, many people delay investing. But here's the truth: your 30s are actually the most important decade for building wealth because of one powerful concept: compounding. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow. Let's make this real. Meet Aaron and Becky. They're both 30 years old, both earn $70,000 a year, both invest 10% of their income. That's $7,000 every year. Now imagine they start getting a $2,000 raise every year. Aaron keeps investing the same amount and spends the extra money on lifestyle upgrades. Becky does something different. She invests 60% of every raise and gradually increases her investing rate to 25% of her income. Fast forward to age 65. Aaron ends up with about $1.9 million. Becky ends up with over $4.5 million. That's a difference of more than $2.6 million. Same income, same starting point, just different decisions. So how do you avoid this mistake? First, follow the 60-40 rule. Whenever your income increases, invest 60% of it and enjoy the other 40%. This way, you improve your life today while still building your future. Second, aim to invest 25% of your income. It might sound high, but it gives you flexibility, security, and freedom later in life. Even if you're not there yet, make it your target. And third, automate everything. Set up automatic investing so money goes into your investments before you even see it. No thinking, no temptation, no lifestyle creep. Here's the truth: small decisions today create massive results tomorrow. Even a 1% increase in your investing rate can completely change your future. So the next time you get a raise, don't just upgrade your lifestyle, upgrade your future. And if you want to stay on track financially, check out the next video where we break down the key money milestones you should hit in your 30s. Because the life you want is built by the decisions you make today.